Hello students, how are you? Welcome to my class. Today we study from Moral Science, chapter 12, page number 44, The Noble Path. My dear students, people believes in different religions. All religions take you on the right path. Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was the follower of Buddhism and he also founded Buddhism. Gautam Buddha was a prince who was brought up in luxury. When he was 29, he left his palace to meet the people. Gautam Buddha saw an old man who was sick and a decaying corpse and an ascetic. He was very sad. He decided to overcome old age, illness, and death by becoming an ascetic. The Buddha said, "No one can escape death and unhappiness. If people accept only happiness in life, they will be disappointed." My dear children, once there was a woman. Her name was Kisa Gautami. Her son had died. She was crying. She asked for help to bring her son back to life. A kind and wise man took her to Buddha. Gautam Buddha told woman, "Fetch me a handful of mud." Was not known to death, and I will bring your child back to life. Kisa Gautami was very happy. She went from door to door in the whole village asking for the mustard seeds, but everyone said, "I lost my father, I lost my sister." She could not find a single household that had not been visited by death. Finally, she returned to Buddha and said, "There is death in every family. Everyone dies." Now she understood. Once Buddha was walking through the city. The two men had brought an elephant and gave it a lot of liquor to drink. They also beat too much it with sticks until it was crazy with anger. Then after they released it in the direction of the Buddha. Buddha saw the elephant coming and felt great love and pity for the poor beast. Elephant was drunk and crazy. It felt the power of Buddha's love. It stopped charging and walked over to the Buddha meekly and then bowed down its large head at Buddha's feet. He told his followers, The only way to destroy hatred is love. It cannot be overcome with more hatred.
Buddha explained that people live in a sea of sufferings because of ignorance and greed. People are like children who want more and more candies. When they can't get, they are upset. If they get all the candies, they soon get tired of them and want something else. Buddhists call the state nirvana, in which all sufferings end. Devdatta was a cousin of Lord Buddha. He wanted to become as famous as Lord Buddha. He was very jealous of Buddha. He thought everyone shows Buddha great respect, but all ignore me. And I am as great as he is. I must destroy him. So Devdatta went to Ajatasattu, the son of King Bimbisar. If you help me to kill Buddha, I shall help you to kill your father. Then you can become king in his place. The king's son listened to these weak words and agreed. Then the two of them tried many ways to murder Buddha.
One day, Buddha was meditation near Vulture's Peak. A huge rock down the hill towards him. The rock split into two halves. It left Buddha unharmed.
So, children, always fill your mind with good thoughts. Take out the bad thoughts and cultivate good thoughts to be a good citizens. No harm anybody. Always help sick and poor people.